Buying your first cryptocurrency. If you're new to the world of crypto, figuring out how to buy Bitcoin, Dogecoin, Ethereum, and other cryptocurrencies can be confusing at first. Thankfully, it's pretty simple to learn the ropes. First step, choose a broker or crypto exchange. To buy cryptocurrency, first you need to pick a broker or a crypto exchange. A cryptocurrency exchange is a platform where buyers and sellers meet to trade cryptocurrencies. Exchanges often have relatively low fees, but they tend to have more complex interfaces with multiple trade types and advanced performance charts, making them intimidating for new crypto investors. Some of the most well-known cryptocurrency exchanges are Coinbase and Binance.com. In this video, we will use Binance. So let's buy our first cryptocurrency on Binance.com. Sign up or log in to your account. Here is your main dashboard on Binance. Ensure to fund your Binance account first. It's very easy. Just click on Buy Now. Input the amount of US dollars here. Click Continue. Select your available payment method here and click Continue. Once you successfully fund your account with USDT, click on Binance to go back to your homepage. Click on Trade over here and select Spot Trading. Now that you are on the Binance spot trading page, the default trading pairs should be BTC USDT. If you want to buy another crypto apart from BTC, you can search the crypto in the box over here. But in this video, we will spot trade BTC. So we have it selected already. Ensure that Limit Order is selected over here. If you have 0 USDT here, you will need to transfer USDT from your funding balance. Click Transfer. Change BTC to USDT. Click USDT. Input the amount you wish to transfer. Click Confirm. Now you have some USDT to activate your spot trade. Also, because we want to buy Bitcoin with our available USDT. Look at the red orders over here. They are active orders from individuals that want to sell BTC. So we want to buy from them. Select any of the bottom red orders here. Increase your order percent to 75 or 100%. The percentage here indicates the amount you would like to spend from your USDT balance. Once you select the percent, click Buy. Once your order is filled, it will be available in the Sell Side BTC balance box over here. To convert the purchased BTC to USDT, you will need to look at the green order box over here. They are active orders from individuals that want to buy BTC. So you can sell the BTC to them. Select any of the green orders here. Increase your order percent to 100 if you want to convert all at once. The percentage here indicates the amount you would like to spend from your BTC balance. Once you select the percent, click Sell. Once your order is filled, it will be available in the Buy Side USDT balance box over here.